In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Nordvpn account. So simply type in support.nordvpn.com. Let's type that in, support.nordvpn.com, and then hit enter. And as you can see here, we are now on the main page of their site. Click on the search button, the search bar. How do we delete Nordvpn account? And as you can see here, it is in the second option. Click the second option, and then here it is. We are introduced in the directions and step by step on how we can delete our Nordvpn account. And as you can see here, the first step is to open the account deletion request form. Click on this link, and there it is. We will be submitting a request for deleting your account. Now type in our email address, and also type in the email address that you use for your Nordvpn account. Type in the amount you paid for that account and the method of that payment. You should also include the payment date of your account. And also answer if you have NordLocker or NordPass account. You can also add the reason for the deletion of this account. Then also add up the description of this reason for the deletion of your account. If you want to add any additional attachment, just simply click the Add File as the proof or reason for deleting your account. So that's it, and then click on the Submit button here, not the Reset button. Click on the Submit button to submit your request form. And that's it. As you can see here, your request was submitted. That's it for tutorial today. Thank you for listening.